Alliteration, assonance, consonance. Unlocking the sounds of poetry. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on reading and writing skills. Today we're diving deep into poetry, more specifically the fascinating world of poetic devices and techniques. In this video, we're going to focus on alliteration, assonance, and consonance, the wonderful tools that poets use to add musicality and emphasis to their work. Let's begin. When it comes to poetry, every word, every sound matters. Poets use various techniques to add layers of meaning, create rhythm, and draw attention to certain words or ideas. Alliteration, assonance, and consonance are just three of these techniques, but they're essential in understanding and appreciating poetry. Alliteration is a technique where the same consonant sound is repeated at the beginning of nearby words or stressed syllables. For example, in the phrase, "Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers," the P sound is repeated multiple times, creating a catchy rhythm. Next is assonance. This technique is all about vowel sounds. In assonance, the same vowel sound is repeated in nearby words that do not start with the same consonant. A famous example is Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven, where he writes, "And the silken sad uncertain rustling of each purple curtain." Here, the sound in purple, curtain, uncertain, etc. creates a haunting sound pattern. Lastly, we have consonance. This is similar to alliteration, but instead of the repeated consonant sounds being at the beginning of words, they can be anywhere within the word, usually at the end. An example of consonance is in the sentence, "She ate 7 sandwiches on a sunny Sunday last year." Notice the repeated S sound throughout the sentence. In conclusion, alliteration, assonance, and consonance are powerful tools in poetry that can shape how a poem sounds, feels, and flows. They create rhythm, emphasize ideas, and add a musical quality to the written word. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of these poetic techniques, and that you'll be able to recognize and appreciate them in your future reading endeavors. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in our next lesson where we continue exploring the captivating world of poetry.